Today, we're learning about one of the most important data structures in computer science, the queue. So, what exactly is a queue? Think about it like this. Imagine you're standing in line at a ticket counter. The first person who arrives gets served first, right? That's exactly how a queue works in programming. We call this the FIFO principle, first in, first out. Now let's understand the structure. A queue has two ends, the front, where elements leave, and the rear, where new elements join. Pretty simple, right? Let's look at the main operations. First, we have Enqueue. This adds a new element to the rear of the queue. Watch how the new element joins at the back. Next is Dequeue. This removes the element from the front. Remember, the first one in is always the first one out. Then we have Peek. This lets you see the front element without removing it. Super useful when you just want to check what's next. And here's the best part. All these operations take constant time. That's O of 1, lightning fast. Now there are different types of queues too. Simple queue, circular queue, priority queue, and double-ended queue. Each one has its own special use case. Where do we use queues in real life? CPU scheduling in operating systems, print job management, handling requests on web servers, and even the BFS algorithm uses a queue to traverse graphs level by level. So that's the queue data structure for you. Simple, powerful, and everywhere in programming. If you want the best animated tutorials on data structures and algorithms, head over to algopack.com. We've got you covered. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.